Hey, the whole band is here. I still can't see your video though.
Yeah.
I think video नहीं आया.
Yeah,
Hey,
it's on now.
Hey,
Hey, Anki, what's up?
right
how's it going?
now.
How's everybody doing in Qatar?
Everybody's doing lovely, and we were just talking with my music manager here that your song is doing so well, and it's so great to have you guys come in for this interview.
Thank you so much.
Yay!
Yeah,
Good to
amazing.
be here.
Okay.
Thank you guys for having us.
All right. So, firstly, guys, there are a lot of people who are not Indian but who love your songs, right?
Okay.
So, I want like a short introduction for all of our listeners from you guys. Maybe a musical one if possible.
Okay.
Musical.
That'll be a
Itna
little
dur se
difficult
shayad.
because
Yeah.
we cannot be in sync since we're all separated.
Yeah.
Okay.
Start.
So,
Anybody?
yeah, we'll have a little introduction from either of you guys.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm Sanam Puri on vocals from the band Sanam.
I'm Keshav Dhanraj. I play drums for the band Sanam.
I'm Samar Puri from the band Sanam. I play the guitar.
And I'm Venki S. I'm the bass player of the band Sanam.
And
That's why
we
his
are
voice is so deep. Suddenly he's like bass.
we are Naina and Kabir. We do the morning show here in Qatar. We are so glad that with Radio Olive 106.3 FM, you are here with us for this interview. I have already interviewed Sanam before, so I have been a huge fan of the boys.
Okay.
Thank
Now-
you.
Yes, so it's his first time, so I'm going to give him the chance to start.
अच्छा कुछ सवाल हैं क्योंकि म्यूजिकली आप लोग तो मतलब बात ही नहीं कहने की. मैं भी नैना से ये बात कर रहा था. मैंने कहा आप लोगों ने सब कर लिया, मतलब बॉलीवुड के लिए भी बना लिए और वैसे अनप्लग्ड तो आप कैसे होते हैं जैसे कोई तोड़ ही नहीं है. मतलब सब अटेम्प्ट कर ले लेकिन अनप्लग्ड आपका जब आता है तो सबको पता है भाई ये बिल्कुल अलग ही लेवल का होगा. सो व्हाट इज योर नेक्स्ट स्टेप? क्योंकि एल्बम्स का जमाना देखा गया है कि अब लोग ऑनलाइन ज्यादा डालते हैं, तो क्या कोई एल्बम का प्लान है ऐसा फ्यूचर में?
कौन बोलना चाहते हैं?
Anybody? Inky Pinky Ponky. Go for it.
Okay. So एल्बम का प्लान एग्जैक्टली नहीं है, एल्बम का नहीं है, बट बिकॉज एल्बम में क्या प्रॉब्लम ये है कि निकालेंगे कुछ गाने क्या निग्लेक्ट हो जाते हैं उस चक्कर में. तो इट्स सो व्हाट वी like to do is maybe release some songs individually, release singles, and then maybe later compile them as an album once everybody has heard those songs. And yeah, so that's the plan.
Okay. So, मुझे जो स्टोरी बताई गई थी जब पहली बार मैंने इनसे इंटरव्यू लिया था कि कैसे ये लोग एक साथ जुड़े थे. Like Sanam and Samar, we know, right? But then how Keshav and Venki came in together, I really want to know your story. So I'm going to start with Keshav and then I'm going to move on to Venki on how you guys joined in for the band.
Sure.
Okay.
I was introduced to Samar and Sanam through Venki. Because me and Venki were in a band when I was in Chennai and he was in Bangalore. So during our college days, we kind of jammed and we had our own scene going on there. And when I had moved to Mumbai, that's when Samar and Sanam had also moved to Mumbai. So Venki kind of introduced me to them and we met, we jammed in our garage and it was just amazing. So from then on, we were like, we just decided that we want to like make music together and stuff. And Venki was in Bangalore at the time, but he slowly like shifted. So first he used to take buses every like weekend or something and come over to Bombay just to jam and make music with us.
Really?
Then
From
eventually,
Yeah.
Venki,
I
I
remember
feel
he was
bad.
sick also one day.
From Bangalore, taking a bus, the traffic is too much. Venki, I want to know from you, how did you guys get in together? Your audio is cut. Your audio.
Oops.
Yes.
Audio is muted, Venki.
Yes, audio is muted.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay,
Yes.
good.
Yeah.
So we met in Indian School Muscat. Samar and I are batchmates, and we had a school band together. Sanam was the singer in the band. I used to play guitar. Samar used to play guitar, and we used to play pop, rock, or actually not much Hindi music.
Not at all.
We were like very happy to be playing songs that were on TV, and we had cassettes of these albums. Famous bands from back in the day, famous boy bands, pop stars, and things like that. And then while we were listening to this, and there were CDs and things like that, I think those were some of the formative years of being in a band. और उसके बाद हम तीनों का अलग एक्सपीरियंस रहा for the next, I don't know, maybe like 5 years or 10 years, whatever. And that's when we got back, I think in 2009,
Okay.
when
Yeah,
these guys went to Bombay. So I introduced them to Keshu, and yeah, that's how I know these guys, and that's how we got to making music together.
Amazing. So, as I was previously saying, my music manager and my jock is also here. And she's the one, yes, she's the one who was about to faint as soon as she saw me. Oh my God, Sanam is going to be here. So, firstly, we'll give a little, introduction of how good the song is being received.
Oh yes, so जैसे मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि बहुत सारे लिसनर्स हमारे ऐसे हैं कि everyone is like यार प्लीज सनम का गाना बजाओ ना यार, ये वाला गाना बजाओ ना. तो आपका जो न्यू सॉन्ग है वो ऑलरेडी बहुत ज्यादा डिमांड में है. प्लस अब मैं अपने सवाल आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, बिकॉज आई एम म्यूजिक मैनेजर. तो एक गाना मैं वो जानना चाहती हूँ जो आप लोगों के दिल के एक्चुअली बहुत ज्यादा करीब है. वैसे तो आई एम श्योर सारे ही गाने करीब होंगे, लेकिन कोई ऐसा गाना जिसको मतलब आपको लगता है कि यार जब ये बनाया था तो बहुत ज्यादा मजा आया था, कोई ऐसी मेमोरी दैट यू वांट टू शेयर विद अस. अभी सोच रहे हैं सब कि इतने सारे गाने, हर गाने में हम मस्ती करते हैं, ये करते हैं.
4 अलग जवाब मिलेंगे.
ओके, एक एक करके. ओके, सो व्हिच वन इज योर फेवरेट सनम, मतलब जो आपको लगता है कि यार ये वाला गाना.
सी इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि जो प्रोसेस है, कि प्रोसेस में जो मजा आया था वो डिफरेंट है, जो फेवरेट गाना है वो डिफरेंट है.
सो आई वांट टू नो अबाउट द प्रोसेस वाला. या
प्रोसेस
जिस
वाइज
प्रोसेस में मजा आया हो.
वो शुरू में एक बहुत ही मजा आया था जब लग जा गले पे काम किया था.
Oh, I love that song by the way. For me, मेरे लिए ओरिजिनल गाना लग जा गले is yours. Seriously, because yeah, it's a big no. For me, yeah, because मैंने वो गाना इतना नहीं सुना जितना मैंने आप लोगों का लग जा गले सुना है. So for me, it's
थैंक यू सो मच.
Samar, it's your turn.
yeah.
मेरे लिए जो गाना स्पेशल रहा है वो आई वुड से तेरी आंखों से,
Okay.
क्योंकि वो पहला गाना था जो मैंने और सनम ने बनाया था और मैंने लिखा था जब हम बॉम्बे आए थे. और वो गाना मैंने उस वक्त जिस लड़की को मैं डेट कर रहा था उसके लिए लिखा था, अब नहीं कर रहा.
Oh, nice. By the way, Samar, let me tell you one thing. You looked super cute in that मेरी सपनों की रानी. That yeah, you look super cute.
And we can see Samar blush.
Okay,
Yeah.
anyway.
Okay. What about you, Venki?
और
Okay.
हाँ, anyway.
So, Venki,
For me, I think I'd like हमारे पहला जो एल्बम था SQS Superstars, उसमें से एक गाना था बहका. I think I really like that song. It was a very fun boppy song, and I like the direction of that. And वो गाना और एक और गाना है जिसका नाम है अगर तुम सुनो. That is also an original song, and that is more like a rock song. तो वो दोनों गाने काफी स्पेशल है मेरे लिए.
Okay, what about you, Keshav?
I think when we went, we decided we were trying to look for locations, and usually when we travel for shows and stuff, we find really nice locations and we go and shoot some stuff. But then for Ek Pyar Ka Nagma and I think Kahin Dur, we had decided to go somewhere around Bombay itself and look for a location, and it was quite fun. Like we just had our own team, a really close member of our video team who's not with us anymore. But he really helped out. He kind of, went and found those locations, and we had a really nice time there. Like we went and we were in this place that barely had any cell phone signal, so it was hard to even communicate between like us in different hotels and stuff.
Yeah.
But so I think that was a really nice, fun experience.
Nice.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Thank
So,
you so much. Thank you so much.
हाँ.
एक और चीज, because I host the Bollywood show. I'm an RJ. So yeah, अभी मैं शो करने वाली हूँ. तो what one message you wanna give to my listeners? Is there any song?
Keep listening to Mukhda. Keep listening to Mukhda.
Good one.
Very smart. Very smart.
तो
Thank you so much.
एक सवाल मैं पूछना चाहूँ, क्योंकि अभी आपने जिक्र किया किस तरह से लोकेशन ढूंढने की बात आपने करी केशव ने, तो मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ आज के दौर में आपने जैसे सॉन्ग रिलीज किया, सनम ने भी कहा कि वी रिलीज इंडिविजुअली, मतलब एल्बम में कुछ गाने जो होते हैं वो इग्नोर हो जाया करते हैं. सो इज इट इम्पोर्टेंट टू मेक अ वीडियो ऑफ एवरी ट्रैक, या फिर वो लगता है कि बना दिया लिरिकल वीडियो डाल देते हैं काम चल जाएगा? व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ एक्चुअली मेकिंग अ वीडियो ऑफ अ सॉन्ग?
So honestly what I feel is बहुत बार हमें लगता है अरे हमने गाना बनाया तो उसको अच्छा सा वीडियो देना, लगता है कि हमें बनाना चाहिए वीडियो. लेकिन हम क्या नोटिस कर रहे हैं आजकल ना, लोग एक जस्ट शूट अ सिंपल वीडियो जस्ट प्लेइंग द गिटार एंड सिंगिंग, दैट इटसेल्फ पीपल कनेक्ट विद, बिकॉज देयर इज नथिंग मोर पावरफुल देन द सॉन्ग इटसेल्फ. तो वीडियो इज सेकेंडरी. तो वीडियो में जो हम करें, दैट इज समथिंग दैट पीपल डोंट रियली केयर अबाउट. व्हाट रियली रीचेस आउट टू पीपल इज एक्चुअली द सॉन्ग. But yeah, if
Yeah.
we can make a good video out of it too, then yeah, it only adds to it.
Yeah, for us,
So-
I think it's important. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd like to
video.
add to that. So basically, nowadays everything is audio visual. Like literally everything is like visual on the phone. You can see, on your laptops, iPads, whatever. So for that, keeping that in mind, it's interesting to have like a visual representation of the song. And the other side of it is that a few of us in the band itself are very inclined towards videos as well. So when we work on the audio, there's some amount of creativity there. And then there's a lot of fun that goes into the video making process as well within the four of us. So, that's also really nice. Summer edits, videos and things like that. So it just opens up a new creative space for us when we have to make a video also for the song. So
Okay, so I want to ask here, who is that person who does the all-nighter and who's the one who says कि यार कल सुबह जल्दी उठ के काम खत्म कर लेंगे?
Oh,
I don't wake up early.
so I'm
One
right in
out,
the middle.
three left. Who's going to say?
So
I think Summer wakes up early. Right?
Yeah.
Some-
Today around 5:30, I think.
Okay, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. 5:30. What about you, Sanam?
For me, I keep changing. For me, every day is different, and sometimes I'll sleep at like 2, 3 a.m. Sometimes at 11, and wake up at 6:30, 7:30. It's very random. But I don't like to wake up early for shoots. But that's what we've done mostly. So
Okay, Venki, when do you end up practicing for your skills? I want to know that because yours is one you can't do
All the
late night.
time.
I'm hoping.
All the time, I find like this. You can see like a couple of guitars. I've already like practiced a bit today, but more than practice, I think what I think if I have a daily routine, then mornings work better for me because I like to put in some routine with waking up early, doing practicing some yoga, and that keeps me sharp and focused. But there are some days where I wake up very early and I don't really want to get involved into those like holistic things that are necessary to be focused because I'm already interested in practicing or I'm already like focused on producing something. So then depends. Yeah, I like the morning energy in my house, so I like
Lovely, yeah.
days better.
Okay, so before I move forward, there is one more person who is just dying to come here. Preeta, she is from our sales team, but she is such a huge fan that she has been hounding me since the day she came to know that Keshav and we are trying to set up an interview for you guys.
I want to add on one thing, okay? So मैं जब हम मॉर्निंग का शो करते हैं तो एक रिक्वेस्ट जो होती है हमारे लिसनर्स के अलावा वो प्रीता की होती है स्पेशली, और वो बहुत ज्यादा तगड़ी होती है. यू कैन नॉट इमेजिन जब आपका गाना चलता है तो ये बाद में आफ्टर द शो शी कम्स एंड टेल तुमने आज सिर्फ पूरी गाना बजाया.
So Preeta, what is your question?
Hi, Sanam. Hi, Sangeet.
hi.
Hi.
Keshav, I'm so happy. I don't have any questions. I just want to talk to you guys. And since 2015, my sister actually showed me your song. Actually, I can't talk. Actually, just Teri Aankhon Se with Jonita. So that was
that
the
was
first
nice.
song. That was the first song I was watching, and from there till now, I'm watching every songs and every videos. You
Oh,
with
sweet.
Mimi, with Asmi, and it's so cute.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God.
Thank you. So sweet.
Okay, before she has a panic attack. But you guys I hope you guys can just send her some love. That's all.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
of
lots of
course.
love to you, seriously.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Preeta. Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Preeta.
much. Bye-bye.
All right, bye. All right, but getting back to so guys, I know that you are missing your stage shows a lot as of now. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah,
So-
like crazy.
Yeah, I can see that all of the guys. Look at everybody's face. How it just went from like nostalgia. Kya bata diya. Okay, so I want to know that one performance on stage that was like that's something that you still remember.
I think
A
each
song
person like
you
a little
mean
bit
or-
different.
A concert.
Either a
like-
song or like a concert that you remember.
Ah. Okay. There's quite a few actually.
Okay.
Suriname,
Yeah, quite a few.
Maldives, Mauritius, like South Africa recently. Like they've all been very special for us.
Yeah, I
But
think
समझ
one
नहीं आ
really
रहा कौन सा
interesting one. One really interesting one would be when we went. So when we went to, firstly, the first time we performed in Amsterdam,
Yeah.
we were like
Oh
we
yeah.
weren't expecting anybody to come, and so the auditorium was full, but it was a smaller auditorium. So then we were like, okay, we were like, maybe a few people listen to us there, and small auditorium, it was full or whatever. The next time we had gone back, they had booked an ice skating stadium, which is quite big, and they have like seats up above and all that. So it was also King's Day, which was the King's 50th birthday,
Okay.
and it was raining at night over there. So
Oh.
when we went for sound check, we'd heard that only I think some 900 tickets had sold. So we were like, okay, I mean, at least 900 will fill up like a little bit of the front area. So we thought, okay, like whatever, even if they're like 5, 10 people there, we'll have a good time, and we'll give them a good time. We went back, we changed, and we came back, and the entire auditorium was full. So people just landed up and they bought tickets on the spot, and they came and watched us.
Okay.
So that was really cool.
मेरा सवाल थोड़ा अलग होगा अभी, क्योंकि अब मैं देखता हूँ कि जो एक बैंड बनाने का प्रोसेस था, एक जमाने में लोग कॉलेज में बैंड्स तैयार करते थे, फिर अपनी सीडीज बना के दिया करते थे कहीं ना कहीं जाके, और दे यूज्ड टू परफॉर्म समवेयर एल्स. आज की तारीख में हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज टू बी ऑन अ लेबल फॉर अ बैंड और टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट, एंड हाउ इज द प्रोसेस टू गेट दैट फ्रेम कि अब भाई बैंड तैयार है, वी आर देयर टू परफॉर्म.
Yes.
Who's gonna answer this?
Anybody?
I was
Anybody?
think-
Well, Vicky,
I
okay,
think
go for it.
labels work for people who already know the direction that they want to go ahead with, and they can sort of work with the label. If the label is the only person that the artist is relying on to make a difference in their life, it's not always fruitful, because labels need personnel called A&R, and A&R in India isn't that strong, and it's a very relatively it's too nascent a market for them to build up artists. And I think back in the day also, it wasn't a very lucrative career for them. So in the West, it's very different. I think with the technology we have, you can be independent, and it's very much on your fingertips, whatever you can learn and whatever you can put out to the world. So I
Yeah.
think the idea is to pick up skills, believe in yourself, and just work, put in the work every day, and
Right.
that's
So
where the
what-
magic happens.
एक और क्या चीज हो रही है कि व्यूज के चक्कर में लोगों को लग रहा है कि हाँ हमें लेबल के पास जाएंगे तो वो सारे पैसे खर्च
हाँ,
करेंगे, तो
exactly.
हमें एडवर्टाइज नहीं करना पड़ेगा.
Hmm.
तो उस चक्कर में क्या होता है, फिर बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट जाके लेबल के साथ चले जाते हैं, लेकिन फिर बहुत फंस भी जाते हैं क्योंकि उनके बहुत टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस होते हैं कि ऐसा करने में, तो एक फ्रीडम लूज हो जाती है. तो अभी क्या है, प्लेटफॉर्म इतने सारे हैं कि आप अपने आप को बिना किसी लेबल के सपोर्ट के भी बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो आप आराम से, क्योंकि लिसनर्स हैं. एक फ्री स्पेस है आपके लिए जहाँ पे अगर कुछ आपका अच्छा है जिसमें आप बिलीव करते हो, लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है, तो इट स्प्रेड एनीवे, और तो आपको वो चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं. जस्ट डू व्हाट मेक्स यू हैप्पी, दैट्स द मेन थिंग.
Yeah.
So how do you
And also, like, sorry.
judge?
you say?
Please, आप पहले बोलो, फिर मैं दूसरा सवाल लाऊंगा, पहले आप बोल.
No, you say. I was just adding to what they've already
Yes,
said.
Please add. Yeah.
Yeah. So also, like, when you're with a music label, yeah, I mean, they spend a lot of money and things like that on you. But when it comes to creative freedom, the amount of freedom that you get when you're making independent music is something that you won't get with a label, or when you're making music for Bollywood and stuff. So even though there are a lot of labels that are now kind of pushing independent music, as in like not independent music, but like non-Bollywood, non-film
right,
music,
right.
Yes.
they still have a big say in the kind of songs that they want you to make. So
Yeah.
they're like, "Acha, you make this kind of song, to hit hoga," which I don't believe in, because I think they're like amazing, really famous sad songs, dance songs, songs that literally have like no lyrical relevance but are still like huge songs. So there's like every kind of like music that you have space to make. So I don't think there's like one type, you make this song, ye hit hoga, like that. I don't believe in that. So that creative freedom you don't get when you are working with a label.
That's true.
एक्चुअली मैं जैसे आपने कहा, मैं उसी बात पे आना चाहूंगा कि मैं कई बार देखता हूँ कि सॉन्ग के व्यूज होते हैं 200, 300, 400, बट मैं वो गाना कहीं सुनता नहीं हूँ. सो हाउ डू यू जज योर so how do you judge your song कि यार ये मेरा गाना ये हिट है? Because I don't think I don't hear those songs कहीं पर play होते हुए, but they have views.
So good question. Good question. I think so. Like paid views are very easy. Okay,
Yeah.
like anybody can just pay and get views. You can kind of do like there are many ways to kind of increase your YouTube views and those kind of things. But at the end of the day, it boils down to how many people are willing to pay money to come and watch you perform live.
Hmm.
And that's where you kind of judge your value as an artist. And so we realized that over time, because we were just going by our YouTube views. We're like, okay, it's so many, but then there are people who listen to us, like listen to other artists who have much more views than us. But then when we go and we perform abroad, and we are called back to the same country 4 times, 3 times, and still having like sold out shows in those venues where the tickets are still expensive, then like that's kind of, I would say, that's where you would gauge your value.
Lovely. Yeah, okay.
Other thing is, see people do that. आजकल time इतना change हो गया, सब कुछ बहुत social media oriented हो गया.
हाँ,
तो
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
the thing is, that's why they put in money to get views, ताकि वो views लोग देखें. देखो ये कौन सा गाना है जिसमें views आ रहे हैं,
Same. It
That is
becomes
what-
like that.
है ना? तो उस चक्कर में क्या होता है, जब views देख के लोग एकदम influence होते हैं instantly, क्योंकि ऐसा है ना, सज्जू दिखता है वो बिकता है वाला scene, like humans are like that.
Yeah.
So उस चक्कर में क्या है, then people talk, तूने ये देखा देख इसके views देख. So just to trigger that, you bring in those views by putting in money. So
Right.
that's the whole point of it. You don't actually get that many listeners. It's just वो असली नहीं है. That's why on our channel we've kept everything organic. So we actually know what is happening, how many are actually listening to us. Otherwise, it's like we also feel guilty. Like we will feel guilty if we, let's say, put in money to force it onto people. जबरदस्ती सुनाओ उनको, देखो views डालो ये सब. It's not a good feeling as artists, I feel. Because at the end of the day, जो हमें चाहिए कि हम जो music बना रहे हैं, लोग उसको सुने, अगर पसंद आ रहा है तो खुद ही लोग आगे
वो सुनाई
उसको-
देना भी चाहिए बाकी जगहों पर, जो कि आपको देता है. गाड़ियों में कहीं बजता हुआ सुनाई तो लगता है गाना हिट है भाई.
Exactly, that's true. That's
Exactly.
true. You have to actually hear it. That is when you know that people are listening to you. It's not awards, it's not accolades, it's not the view count. It's when you actually hear the music around you. You hear it in a party, when people go out, when they come back to they want to listen to some music after the party. They use it in occasions. तब पता चलता है कि हाँ लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है actually में.
That's true. Okay, so before we move forward, one more fan of yours is here. Please come. Come, introduce yourself. She's also an RJ, Ashtami, and she's here. She is working with the Malayalam FM, but right now
Hey.
she is telling us that she's a huge fan. So please ask your question and introduce.
Malayaliano.
Hi.
Malayali.
Malayali.
I'm also Malayali. Yay.
Yes, that's
High
what.
five.
That's what I'm here. Like,
Sanam's also
you guys-
Malayali.
Indo?
My heart.
Sanam's also Malayali. Sanam and Samar are Malayali by blood.
No, Samar is Punjabi. I'm Malayali.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah, right.
Alright. So you guys have so much connection to Malayalam and all, and I think you have done music with Sana Moiduti and all. She's also Malayali, and
Yes.
see, I'm shivering. Okay. Yes. So we have so much request for Sanam songs actually, which is coming in our shows, and we have a Sanam playlist as well for Malayalis. So I want to ask you, do you have any plan to include a Malayalam song or something in future? Any plan?
We can, but it actually depends a lot on me, because मैं थोड़ा lazy आदमी हूँ. तो मुझे क्या है ना, वो उसमें the R's are like the R and
Yeah.
all those little things are there. So like I can do them, but it's just बहुत ज़्यादा है, मतलब learn करने के लिए. So I'll do it for sure. कभी तो.
Sure. Okay, so your Malayali fans are waiting for it.
Before she goes, I think Keshav, she wants one little compliment from you. In Malayali. In Malayalam.
Wait, oh God. What is a Malayalam compliment?
Use Google Translate.
I know all the annoying ones, but nothing.
The ones you
I
can't say
remember
on
one.
air.
For good. Everything is
Enda Vishesham.
Sugam.
Ah.
Sugam-
Oh my God.
Sugamano.
Sugam.
Lovely.
Sugamano.
Thank you so much, Ashtami. Thank you. All right,
What's the
guys.
meaning
So
of Sugam? Sorry, what's the meaning of Sugam? Because I think it's there in Tamil as
Good or
well.
great.
I'm fine.
No,
Good or great.
it's
No,
not
I'm
in Tamil.
fine.
It's only in Malayalam.
Okay.
I like how Venkat is like, yeah, it's not in Tamil. All right,
Thank you,
with that
Samali.
little language class.
Yeah.
All right, moving forward. So guys, we would really like to have, like, probably you guys joining in for some little song that we can have for this video? Is it possible to like just join in for a song
Now,
or
like perform?
not perform, just hum?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's totally possible. But what would you want to hear?
Since there are a lot of people who have been in love with Lag Ja Gale, that, and then of course your newest song, Mukhra.
Okay, I guess I'll only have to sing it because
Yeah. Lag.
There will be a lag otherwise.
yeah.
Right now you guys are all in sync, so go.
Lag ja gale hoga, lag ja gale.
Lag jagale.
No lags.
Lag ja gale. Okay. लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो ना हो शायद फिर इस जन्म मुलाकात हो ना हो लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो ना हो शायद फिर इस जन्म मुलाकात हो ना हो लग जा गले
Beautiful, beautiful. There are girls out there crying, saying, "Oh my God, Sanam just sang Lag Ja Gale." Over dramatics, but right. We're gonna move on to your latest song because we want to.
what
make
happened was
Yes.
समर बीच में उठ के गया था मुझे लगा गिटार लेके आ रहेगी ताकि सपोर्ट मिले
कसम से मुझे भी लगा था कसम से
Samar, this was a very bad accusation on you. I'm sorry.
आजा आजा समर ऊपर आजा ना सीधे यहीं पे आजा
हाँ वही. Go upstairs.
हाँ कैमरा बंद मत करना वो on है.
Yes. Come. You guys, like, आप तो ऊपर नीचे हो. You guys can obviously shift in. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna we want a little glimpse of your latest song as well. Are you guys ready? Will do? Okay.
I thought समर ऊपर आ रहा था चलो चलेगा
But he's like, no, it's okay. I'm comfortable.
जोन में नहीं है बिल्कुल
Okay.
Okay. मैं जद भी विखा तेनू हसदा मैनू सोना सोना है लगदा ओ अगे तेरे दिल में रुकदा रब वर्गा तेरा ए मुखड़ा ए मुखड़ा ए मुखड़ा रब वर्गा तेरा ए मुखड़ा ए मुखड़ा ए मुखड़ा
Amazing. Thank you so much, you guys.
मुझे एक सवाल पूछने का बहुत मन है बहुत देर से
Oh.
ओके हमारा बैंड मतलब मेरा बैंड क्या कॉलेज में एक बैंड था सो दे आर स्टिल वर्किंग ऑन देयर करियर्स बाय द वे मगर मैंने नोटिस किया है जैसे आपका एक जॉनरा है आप उसे पकड़ के बहुत ही उसमें माहिर हैं तजुर्बा भी हो चुका है आपको दूसरे जॉनर्स को भी आप सुनते हैं मतलब कोई आपका दूसरे जॉनर में कोई फेवरेट है होता है ना कि कभी कभार हिप हॉप वाला पॉप सुनता है पॉप वाले को लगता है चलो यार थोड़ा सा और भी कुछ सुनते हैं सो दूसरे जॉनर्स में आपके कोई जिनको आप मानते हैं
इंडिविजुअली देना पड़ेगा
Yes.
Yeah, so I listen to like all kinds of music. So I don't have like a particular favorite genre.
Okay.
So even while making music, there are like a lot of rough songs that are in totally different genres. So like yeah, I like a particular song. Like if there's something about that song that I like, then I put it on my playlist.
Okay.
So I don't have a particular genre. But yeah.
All right. So
You guys, anybody?
Sanam Samar. Who?
समर
हाँ मैं भी सब कुछ सुनता हूँ एक्चुअली हर तरह का स्टाइल हो कोई भी जॉनर हो आई लाइक टू लिसन टू एवरीथिंग चाहे वो अरेबिक सॉन्ग्स हो या हिंदी इंग्लिश कुड बी एनीथिंग एनी स्टाइल हिप हॉप पॉप रॉक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एनीथिंग
Okay. Venki, what about you?
I listen to a lot of music on a regular basis, so I prefer the good albums from back in the day and music that was recorded well. And I have a vinyl player, so I like to
So cool.
listen to anything. Yeah, it's right there. So I like to listen to anything that's recorded really well, back in the 50s or 60s, 70s.
Classics music.
There's a
Yeah,
different,
classics.
yeah, and everything in between. I like a lot of music that's Latin. So like there's all kinds of styles in that. In different countries, it's different. And I feel like there's a lot of influence of Latin music and pop. So yeah.
There is. What about you, Sanam?
I do listen to music, but not like hardly. So मतलब एक हफ्ते में शायद 2 या 3 गाने मैक्सिमम सुनूंगा. But वो भी रहेंगे mainly background scores from movies or video games and anime, Japanese anime. So
Okay.
so I listen to those kind of things जहाँ पे vocals ज्यादा नहीं होता है. अगर vocals मुझे सुनना है then I choose like Egyptian music, Arabic music, like Lebanese music, Arabic music. So मेरा Middle Eastern side ज़्यादा if I like to listen to vocals, that's what I actually really like enjoy listening to.
Is it because you guys were here? Is that why? Is that the
I think
influence?
that for sure उसका influence हुआ होगा, but एक होता है ना कि सुना तो हमने बहुत कुछ है, लेकिन एक type of music है जो resonate करता है आपके साथ ना, सबके साथ कुछ ना कुछ resonate करता है. So this is what resonates the most. जिस तरह वो गाते हैं, उनके vocal technique और ये सब जो है बहुत मेरे को यूनिक लगा है, तो मेरे को सुन के मजा आता है कि बहुत इंट्रीगिंग रहता है, सुन के लगता है एक अलग ही दुनिया है.
Lovely. All right. So, guys, I'm not going to take much more of your time. Before going, how was the whole interview session? How did you like Radio Olive and everything else? How was the whole fun part?
It was a lot of fun
Awesome.
actually. We should do this more often.
Yes, we would love
Yes.
to. ये रात तो नहीं, but ये दिन दोबारा आना चाहिए. And for social distancing वाला गले लग जाए, still fine.
No, but this becomes really
okay,
easy.
one
doing
message
the
for all of us
Zoom
who are
chat.
listening into you, especially all of your, listeners and all of your fans here in Qatar.
Keep listening to Mukhda. Keep supporting original music. We have a lot of new original music that will be releasing, in due course of time. So keep listening and supporting original music. And yeah, for now, listen to Mukhda and like it, share it.
Yay! All right. Before leaving, a message for me and Kabir.
Oh, Sanam, you want to say something?
Yeah. Keep listening. Keep listening to Mukhda. I'm just joking. Okay.
We will anyway do because it's your song.
Keep playing Mukhda.
Really, you guys are amazing and honestly बहुत मजा है आप दोनों के साथ इंटरव्यू करके and there's so आप दोनों की एनर्जी बहुत अच्छी है.
Thank you.
और बात हमारा it wasn't just like आप क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो for the heck of it, but actually conversation था ये, तो वो बहुत मजा आया करके.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was lovely having you guys here. Keshav, lots of hearts to you.
Thank you guys for really playing our music.
Before going, just one time we'll say Jio Bindas together. And
Okay,
Yes.
count it.
okay, so 1, 2, 3, go. Jio
Jio
Bindas.
Bindas.
Thank you so much, you guys. कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा lag आ गया, but लग जा गले. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Cool.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. See you.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, guys. Bye.
This was so much fun.